Hey guys, it's me Hassan. Welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum to one and all. So today's video is gonna be an exciting one. So in today's video, we're gonna be seeing an unboxing video about my new book. My mom got me a book recently for my birthday. As you know from this video, I love reading books. It is one of my hobbies, like painting, riding bicycles, exercising, studying, much more. Okay, so now you're seeing me unboxing it. So this is the back cover of the book. Now we'll see the front cover. This is the branded, the only one, the National Geographic Kids with whopping 5,000 awesome facts. Can you believe it? A whopping 5,000 facts. This book was really interesting. It had all the facts, neutral, not about only one subject like the amphibians and stuff. It had facts about cute pets, lethal facts about deadly animals, paranormal activities, much more. About speeding cars, treasures found under the sea, colorful facts, facts about candies, facts about toys, much more. So do leave your opinion about this book in the comments. Enjoy the video!